Pi Network just dropped a huge update that completely changes the speed of KYC and finally unlocks millions of pioneers to the mainnet. If you're waiting for your migration, listen up. What's coming will speed up the whole process. It's official. Pi is now using the same powerful AI in KYC that's used in Fast Track. Immediate result: KYC processing time is cut down. Fewer cases waiting for human review. More migrations unlocked. We're talking about AI that can cut in half the requests that needed manual validation. Yes, you heard that right. Standard KYC is now 2 times faster. Another key point: the update finally fixes the problem many were facing: the shortage of validators in some countries. Thanks to AI, no more waiting weeks for someone to validate your file. The result? More smoothness, more scalability, more pioneers migrating quickly to the mainnet. And let me remind you, the AI remains deliberately cautious. Doubtful cases still sent to human validators, so speed plus security. Here are the new official stats. 17.5 million pioneers have already completed full KYC. 15.7 million have already migrated to the mainnet, and watch out, 3 million have provisional KYC. They can unlock themselves by doing the presence checks in the Pi app. So if that's you, go into the app and do the checks immediately. Good news for validators too. Pi confirms that KYC rewards are being analyzed and should be distributed before the end of Q1 2026. In summary, Pi is speeding up KYC, unlocking migrations, strengthening AI, and preparing a cleaner mainnet than ever. So go check your status in the app, complete the checklist, and get ready. 2026 is going to be the year of the mainnet for millions of people. Subscribe and like for more videos about Pi Network.